In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest Cooking Fever mod menu fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method gives you access to powerful in-game features, including unlimited gems and coins, making gameplay faster and more enjoyable on any platform. As you can see on the screen, the mod menu unlocks multiple options such as all locations unlocked, all levels unlocked, unlimited gems and coins, and much more. These features allow you to progress through Cooking Fever without restrictions and enjoy the full game experience. Before getting started, make sure your Cooking Fever app is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cooking Fever, and see if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to continue. Next, scroll down and check the pinned comment below this video. In the pinned comment, I explain step-by-step where and how to get Cooking Fever so you can access the mod menu safely and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!